Last period we had seen meaning of suspense account, then how we will rectify the one-sided error by opening suspense account. Okay, so what do you mean by suspense account? Anuj, what do you mean by suspense account?
A suspense account is a temporary measure to reconcile the errors in trial balance.
Yes, it is in a temporary account used to tally the trial balance. Okay, now we will do the problems. So, question number 8. Rectify the following errors and ascertain the amount of difference in trial balance. So, how much difference that we have to find? Journal. You have to draw the format, narration. Already I said format, narration is compulsory. Okay, so if it example, if you are not writing the format, heading, example, ledger means debit, credit, particulars amount format. Then if you are not writing your which one, if example, if it is 8-mark question, your 2 mark will go. You will get only 6 mark. Okay, so it is compulsory. So 11th onwards, you have to start practice. Then it will be easy. So first, credit sales to Mohan. So same question only again and again. They are changing undercast, overcast, wrong side. That only. Credit sales to Mohan, rupees 7,000 were posted as 9,000. Credit sales to Mohan, rupees 7,000. Correct amount is 7,000. Posted as 9,000. Posted we know. To which account posted? Already I said yesterday. Posting time you have to look original entry and posting. So posted to Mohan. Correct amount is 7,000. In that entry, Mohan is debit or credit? Atul. Credit sales to Mohan.
Debit.
Debit. So here means more we debited. 2,000 more we debited. So to correct this, what we have to do, Mohan? Debit or credit? More.
Mohan will be credit.
Yes, Mohan will be credit. Opposite. That will be the only the posting problem. Only Mohan is the problem. Remaining is suspense. Suspense account debtor to Mohan account. Suspense account to Mohan account. Difference 2,000. Then it will be equal. Then amount will be 7,000 if you credit Mohan. Being overcasting of Mohan. Now rectified. So not posted means what we have to do? That's the remaining suspense. Here means more. If it is less means same. Already you know, if it is less means same. So next, Anila Mohan. Credit purchase from Rohan, rupees 9,000 were posted as 6,000. Undercast only.
Rohan account debtor to suspense.
It is undercast. Is it correct? 9,000 is the amount. We posted as 6,000. So again we have to, here in this transaction, Rohin is debit or credit? Anila, purchase Rohan.
Credit.
Credit. So then you tell the entry generally.
Suspense account debtor to Rohan.
Correct. Suspense account debtor to Rohan account. Suspense account debtor to Rohan account. Being undercasting means seal you have to do. Being undercasting of Rohan now rectified. Difference 3000. Overcasting means opposite you have to do. Undercasting means seal. Okay. Next. See. Goods returned to Ragesh rupees 4,000 were posted as 5,000. Anjo. Goods returned to Ragesh. So it is a purchase return. 4,000 is the amount posted as 5,000.
Suspense account debtor to
Yes. First one, second one, two. Ragesh. Very good. If it is purchase return, Ragesh accounted to purchase return. But here means more. More we debited. Being overcasting of Ragesh now rectified. Now rectified. Amount 1,000. Next. Aparna, next. Goods returned from Mahesh were posted as 3,000 under casting.
Sir, Mahesh account debtor to suspense account.
Okay, yes. So goods return, sales return account to Mahesh. So more. Okay. So Mahesh account debtor to, very good. Mahesh account debtor to suspense account. Mahesh account debtor to suspense account. Being overcasting of Mahesh now rectified. $2,000. Next, Femina. Cash sales rupees 2,000 were posted as 200. The cost.
Sir, suspense account debtor to
Suspense to
sales account.
suspense account to sales account. Being undercasting of sales now rectified. So amount 1,800. Okay. Next, we will prepare account, suspense account. We will prepare suspense account. Debit, credit, amount. So first entry. So on the basis of entry, we have to write. Anila, what is the first entry?
Suspense account debtor to Mohan account.
Suspense account to Mohan. So suspense is debit. So debit side to Mohan. It is to Mohan account 2000. Next, second entry, suspense is debit. Third entry also suspense is debit. To Rohan, to Ragesh. To Rohan, to Ragesh. To Rohan, to Rakesh. Okay, on the base of entry, we have to write. Okay, to Rohan, to Rakesh. Next, fourth. Fourth credit, Mahesh. Next, debit. Credit by Mahesh. By Mahesh. By Mahesh 2000. By Karthik, mute your microphone. By Mahesh to say account. Okay, Mahesh 2000 to sales 1800. Okay, over. So debit side is more 7800. 7800. Okay, difference 5800 by difference as per trial balance. So this amount we have to write in trial balance, and the trial balance will be equal. Okay, so excess debit will be there. So credit side we have to write 5800. Excess debit. Then 5800 excess debit. So we have to put on the credit side. If it is excess credit, we will put it on the debit side. Okay, now 10th already we did. 9th, no, did. Next, 11th one. 11th. Credit sales to Mohan were posted to the credit of his account. Only that only problem. His only problem. Sale correct only, but it is a one-sided error. Wrong side. Credit sales to Mohan. So Mohan account, Mohan is debit only. Is it correct? Mohan is debit. So they wrote in the credit. Already I said, if it is payment side, if you wrote in the receipt side means, if you want to rectify, then the amount will be doubled. Okay, so same only here you look at credit sales to Mohan. Mohan is debit. What they did, they posted to the credit of his account. Credit of his account. To correct, we have to write 14,000. Only it is only the posting only, his account only problem. That only they specified. So entry will be in that Mohan is debit or credit and debit or credit sales to Mohan, sold goods to Mohan. 11th one. Mohan is
Sir,
what? Anila?
debit.
Debit. So they posted to the credit of his account. It is wrong. Debit credit. If debit side, if you wrote in the credit side means to rectify, we have to write in the debit. Then you have to write the full amount. Then only you can rectify. So Mohan is debit. So amount how much will write? Mohan account debtor to suspense account. Only Mohan is the problem. Amount will be 14,000. Suppose if you write 7,000 means we can rectify that error. Receipts and payments will be equal. But we want to write the amount. So we have to write 14,000. Out of the 14,000, 7,000 we will rectify, that is receipt side amount. Then 7,000 is the Mohan amount. So being credit sale to Mohan were posted to the credit of his account. Now rectified. It is purchase, sales, purchase, double amount. So it is only wrong side. Wrong. Debit, credit, debit. Next, credit purchase from Rohan, rupees 9,000. 9,000, okay, were posted to the debit of his account. Correct in this journal, Rohan is debit or credit? Aparna, debit or credit? Rohan?
Sir, credit.
Credit. So they posted to the debit. So correct is credit. So credit will be Rohan. Opposite suspense. Suspense account debtor to Rohan account. Suspense account to Rohan account being credit purchase. Purchase from Rohan were posted to the debit side of, to the debit of his account. His account. Now rectified. Suppose if you write correct amount is 9,000. If you write 6,000 means error can rectify. So 9,000 plus 6,000. If I write 6,000, credit is the amount. Credit is the Rohan. We wrote the debit. If you write 6,000 means that error we can rectify. So again we have to write amount, Rohan amount, that is 9,000. So how we will do 9,000 plus 6,000, 15,000. Okay, if only one amount is given means that into 2. If it is a difference, both it is given means that you have to plus. Then only we can rectify the error. Any doubts? Atul? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next, goods returned to Rakesh, rupees 4,000 were posted to the credit of his account. Goods returned to Rakesh were posted to the credit of his account. Anuj, here Rakesh is debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
So entry you tell.
Rakesh account added to suspense account.
Rakesh account to suspense amount
8,000.
1,000. Being goods returned to, being purchase return to Rakesh were posted to the credit of his account. Credit of his account. Now rectified. Next, goods returned from Mahesh were posted to the debit of his account, rupees 2,000. Anna. Goods returned from Mahesh were posted to the debit of his account. So Mahesh is debit or credit for correcting this error?
Credit.
Credit. So entry you tell.
Sales return account, suspense account added to Mahesh account.
Suspense account to Mahesh. Amount? Anna, amount?
3,000.
Okay, 3,000. So if you write 2,000 means error can rectify. So we have to write 1,000 also. 2,000 will rectify 1,000. That is sales return. Being sales return from Mahesh were posted debits of his account. Next, Hadi. Cash sales rupees 2,000 were posted to the debit of sales. Debit of sales. Cash sales were posted to the debit of sales account. So correct. Hadi. So for correcting this error, sale is debit or credit?
Sir, sales to suspense.
Normally, sale is debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit. So they debited. So you said the entry but opposite. Okay. Suspense account at to sales. Amount how much? Hadi. 2,000, 5,000 it is given. Then
7,000.
being cash sale posted to the debit of sales account. Now rectified. Over suspense account to sales account. Next, we will prepare suspense account. BR. CR. So on the base of journal entry, to suspense. So credit is suspense first entry, credit is suspense by Mohan. By Mohan, amount of 14,000. Second entry to Rohan. $15,000. Okay, by Mohan. So on the base of entry, you are right. If it is debit, debit side, you write suspense. If it is credit, credit side, opposite aspect, you are right. Like a ledger. Next, third one. Third one, by Ragesh. By Ragesh. By Rakesh, 8,000. Next, Aparna, next debit or credit?
Sir, debit
Debit side
to
to
Mahesh account.
Mahesh, amount
Amount 3,000.
3,000. Next one,
Next one, debit to sales account 7,000.
7,000. Over so debit side is more 25,000. 25,000. So 22. So difference 3,000. So excess debit by difference as per trial balance. Okay. Any doubts? Annette, what happened? Okay, any doubts? Okay, so revise the topic errors and rectification.